Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of our transfer being failed on Cash App. So for that, the easy way is that you go to your settings by clicking on your top right corner and then scroll down and you will see this option of linked bank accounts. Just click on it and replace your current debit card with your another debit card, and you will be able to do all the transfer without them failing. So this was the easier way, and the tough way is that you reach out to your bank and tell them that Cash App is a trusted app and you are trying to do transactions because you trust on this app. And after you resolve all the issues with your bank side, then you can go to your profile again and click on support, and after that just click on chat and let Cash App team know that the problem from bank side has been resolved, and so Cash App team should also resolve all the issues with your transfer, and you will be able to do seamless transfers on your account after that. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.